Every product we use, from electronics to everyday consumer goods, travels through a complex logistics network before reaching the customer. Behind every delivery is a system of transportation, warehouses, inventory, and distribution working together. In this Logistics Fundamentals Masterclass, we will follow the journey of a product through the logistics network and explore how modern logistics really works. Logistics is the process of planning, moving, storing, and delivering goods efficiently. It connects suppliers, manufacturers, warehouses, and customers. The goal of logistics is simple: the right product in the right quantity at the right place at the right time and at the right cost. In modern supply chains, logistics ensures that materials flow smoothly from production to final delivery. Without effective logistics, even the best products cannot reach the customer. Logistics plays a critical role in business performance. Efficient logistics reduces costs, improves delivery reliability, and increases customer satisfaction. When logistics works well, companies can respond faster to demand and operate with lower inventory levels. But when logistics fails, the consequences are immediate: delays, stock shortages, rising costs, and unhappy customers. In today's global supply chains, strong logistics is not just operational support, it is a strategic, competitive advantage. Logistics can be divided into two main flows: inbound logistics and outbound logistics. Inbound logistics focuses on transporting materials from suppliers to the manufacturer or warehouse. Outbound logistics focuses on delivering finished products from the company to distributors, retailers, or customers. Together, these two flows create the complete movement of goods across the supply chain. Logistics is built on several core operational activities. The first is transportation, which moves goods between suppliers, factories, warehouses, and customers. Next is warehousing, where products are stored, organized, and prepared for distribution. Another key activity is inventory management, ensuring the right products are available at the right time. Finally, logistics includes order fulfillment and last-mile delivery, which ensure products reach the final customer efficiently. Transportation is the backbone of logistics. It is responsible for moving raw materials, components, and finished products between suppliers, factories, warehouses, distribution centers, and customers. Without transportation, products simply cannot move through the supply chain. Efficient transportation ensures goods arrive on time, in the right condition, and at the right cost. The most widely used transportation mode is road transport. Trucks provide the highest flexibility and are essential for regional deliveries and last-mile distribution. They connect factories, warehouses, retail locations, and customers directly. Because trucks can reach almost any destination, road transport plays a central role in everyday logistics operations. Another important mode is rail transportation. Freight trains are designed to move large volumes of goods across long land distances. Rail transport is particularly efficient for heavy cargo such as raw materials, containers, or industrial components. Compared to road transport, rail can move larger shipments with lower fuel consumption and lower cost per ton. For international trade, sea freight plays a critical role. Container ships transport enormous volumes of goods between continents. Sea transport is the most cost-efficient option for global shipments. Although transit times are longer, maritime logistics enables global trade and supports international supply chains. When speed becomes critical, companies rely on air freight. Air cargo provides the fastest transportation option for international logistics. It is commonly used for high-value goods, urgent deliveries, spare parts, and time-sensitive shipments. Although air transport is more expensive, it plays a key role when delivery speed is essential. In modern supply chains, companies often combine several transportation modes. This approach is known as multimodal logistics. For example, goods may travel by ship between continents, by train across land, and finally by truck to reach the customer. By combining different transportation methods, companies can balance speed, cost, and efficiency. Selecting the right transportation strategy is one of the most important decisions in logistics management. After goods are transported, they typically arrive at a warehouse or distribution center. A warehouse is usually divided into several functional areas. The staging area is where incoming or outgoing goods are temporarily placed before they are moved to storage or prepared for shipment. The storage area is where products are organized and stored in racks or pallet locations until they are needed. To handle goods efficiently, warehouses rely on specialized equipment. Common equipment includes forklifts, pallet trucks, warehouse trolleys, and cranes, which help move heavy loads across the facility. Products are typically stored on pallets and warehouse racks, allowing vertical storage and efficient space utilization. Modern warehouses also rely heavily on barcode scanners and warehouse management systems, which allow workers to track inventory and locate products quickly. Once orders are received, items are picked from storage, packed, and prepared for shipment. Distribution centers then coordinate the movement of these products to retailers, distributors, or customers. In modern supply chains, warehouses are not just storage facilities. They are dynamic logistics hubs that keep goods flowing efficiently across the supply chain. Inventory management ensures that products are available when they are needed while minimizing excess stock. Companies monitor inventory levels continuously to maintain the right balance between supply and demand. Digital inventory systems provide real-time visibility of stock levels across the warehouse. These systems allow managers to quickly identify which products are available, running low, or overstocked. Forecasting tools help predict future demand based on historical data and market trends. This allows companies to plan replenishment and avoid shortages or delays. Automated alerts notify managers when inventory reaches predefined reorder levels. Efficient inventory management reduces storage costs, improves product availability, and supports smooth supply chain operations. Order fulfillment begins when a customer places an order. The warehouse system identifies where the products are stored. Workers pick the required items from the warehouse shelves. The items are then packed and labeled for shipment. Orders are sorted and loaded onto delivery vehicles. Finally, the packages are transported to the customer. This final step is known as last-mile delivery, completing the supply chain process. Modern logistics systems are complex and must manage many operational challenges. One key challenge is balancing inventory levels with changing customer demand. Supply chains also face various risks such as supplier disruptions, transportation delays, and unexpected global events. Traffic congestion, weather conditions, and rising fuel costs can also affect delivery schedules. Companies must balance fast delivery with operational costs and environmental impact. To reduce these risks, logistics organizations rely on planning, data analysis, and advanced technology to keep supply chains running efficiently. The future of logistics is being shaped by new technologies and innovative solutions. Automation and robotics are increasingly used in warehouses to improve speed and efficiency. Artificial intelligence helps companies analyze data, predict demand, and optimize supply chain operations. Autonomous vehicles and delivery drones are being developed to transform transportation and last-mile delivery. Sustainability is also becoming a key priority, with companies investing in electric vehicles and greener logistics solutions. Together, these innovations are helping create smarter, faster, and more resilient supply chains for the future. Understanding logistics helps us see how products move efficiently from producers to customers around the world. If you enjoyed this video, check out other lessons in our Masterclasses playlist. And don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content.